Hi, you are welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to show you how to create an image in ChatGPT. Before we start, can I ask you please to comment or rate or subscribe? It helps a lot. So let's get into it. Okay, if you are having trouble creating an image from ChatGPT, then I have put together a very simple and short tutorial. The first task is to tell ChatGPT what is the content of the image you are looking for, and we do this with a detailed prompt. It is important to craft this to your satisfaction. The more detailed it is, the more detailed the prompt, the more accurate the generated image will be. Having written out the prompt, we post it into ChatGPT. This will start the process. Now, depending on how busy ChatGPT is, it can take a few minutes or a little bit longer, but once it's done, your finished image will appear. Now, we may need to resize the image if you are going to use the image in other applications. We can upload the image to Canva. I have chosen to expand to 1980 by 1080p. Then hit Edit and choose the resolution. Choose Magic Expand from Magic Studio. Canva will do its magic and produce several images for you to choose from. Then, if you need to erase anything, you can use Magic Erase until you are happy with your image. Canva having produced several images, you can choose which one is good for you. Not every image will be perfect, so some editing is needed. This is where other editing tools come in. In some cases, you may want to add items to your image. However, in this case, we will use Magic Erase to get rid of one of the extra clocks in the image. To use Magic Erase, we first click on the image itself. This will bring up the Magic Studio options. From there, we pick Magic Eraser option. There are several ways we pick out objects to erase. We can use a brush or click objects. In this case, I have used the click option to get rid of one of the clocks. After you have chosen the object, all you have to do is click Erase, and again Canva will do its thing and you are done. In this video, we looked at how to use ChatGPT to create an image, at how to use Canva to extend our image to suit any resolution, and we also used Canva to edit our image. Now, you may have noticed that the intro and the outro to this video was also generated by AI, so in our next video I will show you how I did this. If you found this anyway helpful, I would appreciate a thumbs up, comment, good or not so good, or hit the subscribe button. Thank you.